Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So in this video, I'm going to be creating this flirty yet feminine and very pretty Valentine's Day makeup look. A week or two ago, I did a poll on my Instagram asking, what kind of makeup look do people usually like wearing on Valentine's Day. A lot of people said they prefer like a soft and glowy makeup look. But then also they said that they like a more like bold red or like a berry lip for Valentine's. So I kind of came up with this look which merged the two ideas together. If you guys are interested to see how I got this look, then please keep on watching. The eye makeup look is going to be really simple, really straightforward. So let's just get started with the eyes. I have already done my brows off camera because this is the part that takes me the longest. So I'm going to prime my eyelids today, and for that I'm going to use my Nudestix magnetic matte eye color in the shade Terra, and this is the color. I'm going to put that all over my eyelids just like I would in an eye primer. So it's close to my skin tone, so even if I put it on, doesn't look all that bad. Just looks like I have like one nice neutral eyeshadow. So I love it for that reason. I'm just going to take a powder and just run that along the crease. This is just a face powder, but this is just to make sure things blend in. We're going to move on to eyeshadow, and for that I'm going to be using my Violet Voss Holy Grail palette right here. The first shade I'm going to take is this one right here called How You Doing, on a flat brush, and just pack that on the eyelids. It's a gorgeous color. I absolutely love it. I'm going to take the shade Brownie Points and Are You Kidding Me? I'm going to mix the two and then apply that to my crease. I'm just going to take this shade right here called Teddy Bear, put it right in the corner. Again, we're not trying to make the eyes smoky or anything like that, but we need some kind of a depth. Just a little bit, and then just whatever's left in, just blend it in the corner of that crease. So bring it up a little bit. Go back in with that same shade, How You Doing, on the flat brush and just put that in again. So we're going to tackle the bottom half in a little bit. There's not much in the bottom half. So first we're going to add some liner, and we're going to add mascara as well. For liner, I'm using my Tarte Double Take liner. I'm using this to kind of just tightline my eyes, if you will. I'm going to take this voluminous butterfly sculpt mascara from L'Oreal. Just kind of wiggle and then pull. Oh. Wiggle and then pull. I made a boo-boo right here. I'm going to clean it up a little bit after. I'm going to take this Bobbi brown liner right here. It is a dark brown liner, and I'm just going to line the lower lash line. And I'm only going in like till where my eyeball is, just like right there. And that's it. I'm going to do the same on the other side. We're going to go in with the same shade Brownie Points and just going to kind of pack it on in the outer third. I'm going to add some false lashes off camera and I'll be right back. Okay, so we have added our false lashes, and also I added a color in the inner corner of my eyes. For that, I went in with this shade right here called Cool Beans to brighten up the eyes a little bit. I'm going to use a primer today. So I chose this primer right here. This is the Burberry Nude Radiance Primer 01. I'm going to take my Tarte brush and just kind of blend that in everywhere. You can see it's giving like a nice glow. I love this primer. It's just very lightweight and not so shiny or anything like that. Just feels more like a light serum with a little bit of like radiating pearls in it. It's really pretty primer. I have a Nars foundation I want to use today. This is the new Nars Radiant Longwear Foundation. It comes with a pump, which is great. I have a more radiant matte foundation just because it, you know, it will keep it matte but has a little bit of a glow to the skin. So that's why I really like radiant matte foundations. Any foundation that says radiant matte means it won't make it look too dry, but the finish of it is really good. If you think Nars foundations run too yellow, so try the more neutral one, you might like it. Nars has a medium tan golden, which is Tahoe, but it's just too dark for me. So I actually got color matched in Sephora and they told me to use Aruba, and it actually looks really good. Like, it's not neutral, but it has that golden coverage that I'm looking for. So next up we have concealer, and for that I'm going to use my Kevyn Aucoin concealer in medium. Again, it's nice coverage, but it's not full coverage like the Tarte Shape Tape. So I quite like this one. Next up, I want to use a really special palette. This is the Natasha Denona Diamond and Blush palette, and now let me open it for you. So these are the shades right here. They're so pretty. You have the blush shades in the middle, and then some of like the cream shades. The top row is all cream shades, and then the bottom row is all powder. So this shade right here is a cream highlighter, and I want to use that today. I'm going to use a flat brush from Grail Techniques, the high points of my face. Just kind of dab it on. It's a beautiful formula. Just going to this palette right here will look good on me rather than the citrus one. The citrus one runs a little bit too bronzy and dark, so I didn't want to get that palette. Instead I got this palette, and I'm quite happy that I got this palette. I actually want to powder my face a little bit before I go in with like bronzer, blush, and add a little bit more highlight. I just wanted to add the cream highlight before I added some powder. So for powder today, I'm just using my RCMA No Color powder. So for bronzer today, I'm using my Becca bronzer in the shade Ipanema Sun. Just gonna stamp it on. Use this shade right here. This is the blush. To use my Hourglass highlighter. I love this trio. It is so well loved, you can really see. I'm going to mix all shades and just put that right on the top. Yeah. So the last step is the lips, and that's really going to be the focus of our look right here. So for my lips today, I'm going to use this beautiful ABH palette right here. These shades are like so gorgeous, so pretty, and I'm going to pick this shade right here. I love a good berry lip, so I'm going to use the lip brush. See how beautiful this shade is? It's like stunning. Sorry, I'm using like a Essence lip liner. It's like a nice pink. Just to clean up the edges, really. Alright guys, so that's it. That completes this look. I hope you guys enjoyed this Valentine's Day makeup tutorial. I really love this kind of soft glowy skin and beautiful bold lips. And again, you know, lashes are always optional. If you're not comfortable wearing lashes, obviously don't wear it. It's quite a bold lip, and it actually matches my dress today a little bit, which is why I chose this color, because it's a really kind of pretty berry shade. It's a bold color, but it's not like too red or too dark. So if you haven't subscribed to my channel already, now is the time to like and subscribe to my makeup channel so that you can come back here for more good content. Have a great day or night wherever you are, and I'll catch you guys in my next video. Bye guys.